Hi friends, my name is Kirtana. I'm from grade 3. Today we are going to explain about a life cycle of a plant. A life cycle shows us how a plant grows and reproduces. What is reproduction? The process by which new living beings are formed is called reproduction. Now my friends are going to explain detailing about a life cycle of a plant. Hi, I am seed. A tomato plant's life begins as a seed. A seed is sown in the soil. I am a sprout. The seed begins to grow, root down in the soil. A small stemlet came out of the seed. The process by which seed grows into a new plant is called germination. You can see sprouts came out of the seed. I am a seedling. The soft stem grows and comes out of the soil and develops a few tiny leaves. You can see the tiny leaves. This is the tiny leaves. Hi, I am a sapling. A seedling develops more leaf and grow to become a young tomato plant. It is now called a sapling. Hi, I am a big plant. The tomato plant becomes bigger, grows flowers. Flowers change into fruits. Fruits have seeds. Wow! This is a process of a life cycle of a plant. I was not knowing it. I got a great idea. I go to home and I take a tomato seeds and I plant a new plant. Why you know? Because it will be helpful for my mother and she will stop buying tomatoes from the market. Thank you friends for telling giving process of a life cycle of a plant. Thank you.